everyone, myself Kirtee Kushwaha and today I am going to explain about the topic that is salt from the chapter Acid, Base and Salt. We have learned about acid and base in our previous classes, but what about the salts? Actually, the salts are the ionic compounds that are the result of neutralization of acid and base. The reaction of acid and base result to the formation of salt and H2O. There are total 3 types of salt: acidic salt, basic salt and neutral salt. Let's start with acidic salt. In acidic salt, the type of acid we have taken is strong. Strong acid react with weak base and the result is our formation of acidic salt, means its pH value is lower than 7. The second is basic salt. In basic salt, we take a weak acid and a strong base. When they both react, we get basic salt. It means its pH value is higher than 7. The third and the important one, that is neutral salt. In neutral salt is the reaction of a strong base and a strong acid. They both react to form a neutral salt. Neutral salt we also call, for example of neutral salt is NaCl. We also call common salt. We use NaCl in our food as an ingredient. It is an important ingredient in our food, but not only important in our food. It is also important raw material for some daily use materials. For example, sodium hydroxide (NaOH). It is the strongest base. This NaOH is formed by the process called chloralkali. For this process, we have to done this type of setup. In this type of setup, we take brine in the beaker. Brine is when we dissolve NaCl in salt, then it is called brine. When we take brine in the solution, brine in the beaker and allow electricity to pass through it, we get Cl, H2 and NaOH as the result. Cl is used in swimming pool to clean and H2 is used as a fuel and NaOH is also important for humans. And the next is bleaching powder. We have bleaching powder. In bleaching powder, NaCl react on slit line and we get bleaching powder as a result. The use of bleaching powder are: bleaching powder is used as a cleaning agent and used to clean H2O, drinking water. The next is baking powder. We use baking powder to make our food crispy, but when we add terminated acid in it, it becomes baking soda, which is used in cakes and bread, which make it soft and spongy. The next is washing soda. Washing soda contains 10H2O, means it contains 10 molecules of water, and this means it is the water of crystallization. Actually, what is the water of crystallization? Water of crystallization means the fixed number of H2O present in one formula unit of salt. The best example of this is plaster of Paris. In the plaster of Paris, the plaster of Paris contains half H2O. In this, we can see that it's the plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is made from gypsum, that is CaSO4 the 2H2O. In the gypsum, 2 molecules of H2O is present, but when we heat it, it becomes plaster of Paris. It actually release its H2O, half H2O to become plaster of Paris. And this gypsum, if we add water in again plaster of Paris, it again becomes gypsum. The plaster of Paris is powdered substance after getting heated, and it is used in making of toys and also decorative items. It is used by doctor to support fractures. And this is what I want to explain about the salts, and thank you.